Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's episode, we're bringing you more liqueurs. Today, we're drinking Tia Maria.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this?
All right. Tia Maria. This is an old school bottle of Tia Maria. So, Tia Maria it's at 26.5%. The current versions are only at 20. So, this is an old one. This one's from about 2004. So, this is really old school. In fact, this is made by Allied, which doesn't even exist anymore because they were taken over by Pernod and by Diageo when they split them apart. So, anyway, the story theoretically goes, a girl was forced to flee Jamaica from Spain when there was the colonial battles, and she and her servants escaped away to Jamaica, and she had a small jewelry box there, and inside it was a black pearl earrings and this recipe for Tia Maria. Whatever. Anyway, so Dr. Evans supposedly founded this in the 1930s, and this was like in the mid-1800s, and then Dr. Evans discovered it in Jamaica 100 years later, theoretically. I'm sure, whatever. Nice marketing. Sure. Anyway, so what's in it is Jamaican rum, Tia Maria coffee beans, and Madagascar vanilla and sugar. Yay! All right. I know Will loves that here. So some of the famous cocktails in is the Tia Maria Expresso Martini, the Tia Maria and Cola, the Skinny Tia White Russian, the Orgasm, which is Tia Maria and Bailey's, which I'm sure Will will just love. It's also the Tia Cold Fashioned, and the new version, like I said, is only 20%. No, so this was actually a donation from my Uncle Leonard Cook from back in the day. So thank you, Uncle Leonard. Appreciate it. So always like these donations. All right, see what we think. Even if they are 16 years ago, I still appreciate them.
Get the coffee.
Very rummy.
Rummy?
Mm-hmm.
I get the coffee.
Yeah, and I know it's this old because Allied went out of business in 2005.
Yeah.
So it smells like coffee, vanilla, and rum.
Rum.
Yeah.
That's about all I'm getting on the nose.
It's about all I get
You
too.
like those notes.
And sugar. Do you not smell
It's
the simple syrup?
Oh yeah, well, sugar's added, so it makes sense. But like I said, the new ones are only 25, so I'm glad we get this at 26.5. So, all right, so we get a little higher, 6.5 points. So,
That's sweet.
Sweet
It's
coffee
super sweet.
vanilla, rum. It's a little earthy on the finish though, which is good. I like it. If you like Kahlua, you probably like this.
Yeah,
It's very similar.
It's got
This would disappear in some coffee.
Mm-hmm.
You know what that would be good in?
An iced coffee.
Rum chata.
Ooh.
Hey, we need to review rum chata.
Mix that with some. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or in some ice cream.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of a rum chata.
Yeah. That would be really good with a little bit of coffee as an after dinner drink.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's what it's used for mostly.
Is it?
Coffee. Yeah, a lot of people drink with coffee. It's really good.
That's the first thing my mind goes to is using this as my added sweetener after dinner for my cup of coffee.
Yeah, I 100% agree.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it'd be good for coffee. It's good. It's delicious. It's a nice alternative. It's I think the price on these is like $25, so it's not expensive.
It would probably be really good in an iced coffee.
Yeah.
It'd be amazing. Like go down to 151 and get one of these with it. It would be delicious. Mm-hmm. By the way, 151 is great.
Yes, it is.
At your house, that's by far better than Starbucks.
Yeah, I don't do Starbucks. I like Dunkin', but
I don't like either. Either one's fine, but they're too damn expensive for me because I'm cheap.
151's a lot cheaper, that's for sure.
A lot cheaper and a lot better and a lot faster. Like, oh, look, 30 minutes at Starbucks is at least 5 at 151. This is the fastest people I've ever seen move their asses in my life.
Yeah, but I get donuts.
Work.
Donuts come with Dunkin'.
It's
all right.
There's no donuts involved for me.
Yeah, but Boston cream.
But I'm fat. I can't have any more donuts.
Donuts. All right. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time,
keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Donuts. Okay. All right, ready?
The way, here we go. Hello.